This video is going to talk about how to use Padlet for education. Okay, let me share my screen with you. Okay. This is Padlet. It's a space where everybody can write on a board. So this is our board, okay, with the clouds, it's the sky. And I've given this the title Learning Padlet because it's how I'm going to teach us to use some of the basic features of the platform. You can also see that it was created by me, Kendra Steele, and I created it 12 minutes ago. Okay. Now, I have one post up here on the wall. I posted Monday, September 29, 2025. That is today's date. At the end of my online English class, I ask students to use Padlet to tell what they've learned that day. So for my students, they're going to find the date, that is today, which is the only one posted right now, and they are going to click Add Comment, and they can type what they have learned. I learned about extended family today. The pink button is Post. So you click it, and now underneath today's date, Kendra Steele has posted, I learned about extended family today. As a teacher, this is one way for me to check what my students have learned from the lesson. It's also a way for me to see if anyone is confused or needs more help. So all of my students would have comments, and this would extend with everybody's writing. Another way we might use Padlet in class would be when we are working on learning some new content. Maybe I want everyone to make a post. If we are all going to make posts of our own, you will use the yellow plus sign that turns into a pencil down here on the right. If you click that one time, this box appears. The subject is your title. So for me, if I was preparing for class tomorrow, I would put Tuesday, September 30th, 2025. And I could hit publish, which would post just the date. That's what I did last time. But there are a few options here that we can start to learn about that might help make the post better. If I have a link for students, this purple button will allow me to attach my link. Maybe I want them to see a video, or I want you to try a game or an activity. I can use this button to attach a link. The camera button will access the camera on your phone or computer. So I'm looking at the computer camera, and it will take my picture. But I don't need a picture of myself with this post. This one is an image search. I'm going to select this so that I can find a picture offline that I want to use. This is an online class, so I'm going to look for a laptop computer. And now I can scroll through and find the pictures I like. I really like this picture because I think this is what my students look like when they're in class. A laptop, their water, their phone, their notebook. So I've got the date, which is my title. I've included a picture, and now if I want to write more, I can. Please share what you learned in class today. Now my students know exactly what to do. I'm going to hit the pink button, it's always pink, that says publish. Now this appears on my wall. So people will add comments again because that's how I've asked us to set it up in our class. But if we are all sharing pictures of our family or all sharing a type of food we like to eat, everybody would make a post, and this board would fill with all of those ideas. So this is the beginning to learning about how to access and use Padlet. You can add a comment, or you can make your own post using the yellow button in the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for tuning in to my video.